Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for being here. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of December 28th through January 3rd, which is the week of New Year's Eve, on New Year's Day. In my Recollection Celestial Planner, the kit that I have already placed down, this is a kit by Wild Summer Designs, and that's a shop I PR for. I have my links down below. Anyways, though, so if you would like to check out how I pre-plan and how I got to this point in time right now, I will have this plan with me linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can, check that out. But anyways, basically what I've done is I've just pre-planned out my week, and then I go in day by day and just kind of memory plan with whatever, happened and what things that I did and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. So starting off with Monday, I'm going to go ahead and take a half box from the kit, and then I have a Netflix binge script sticker from I don't know who, sorry. I actually just received this sheet of stickers in the mail, so it was some happy mail from a planner friend. So it was cut already like that. I don't know who it's from, but that was just because we did a binge watch Big Sky on Netflix, which is a really cool show. Well, that's not cool. It's what is it, like suspenseful? Kind of dramatic. I don't know what kind of show it is. It's yeah, it's a good show. And then I just checked off my checklist for the errands that we ran, and I just wrote for my gratitude. I was grateful for watching, Big Sky and catching up because we were super behind and we finally caught up. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a transparent dot from the Giving Girl and also one of her cute heart doilies, and then a meal prep script from Cozy Paper Co., which is another shop I PR for, since I did do some meal prep on Tuesday, because Monday was the day we picked up the groceries. Then I'm going to take this pretty little leafy flourish, and then this cute little deco from the kit. And I'm going to put that over the half box to mark that we watched the new Disney Plus Soul. First of all, I don't know, I tried to write that vertically and it looked so ugly. But anyways, I'm going to fix that in a minute. Loved that movie. It was very, emotional, and it's just kind of hits different because it's about death, and we're all going to die someday. So it was really wow. I didn't even, when I first found out that they were doing that movie, I was like, whoa, they're really going there, huh? They're gonna probably upset some people. Mainly super religious, my ways are the only right way kind of people. Yeah. People can just get really touchy about that kind of stuff, but I loved it. So we just wanted to wait until after Christmas to watch it because we were watching a lot of Christmas movies. Anyway, then I'm going to take this fun size box from the kit, and then these little bow rings from Fox and Pip, just to mark that I closed my rings on Tuesday. And it was a really lazy week for me this week and last week, and I only closed my rings on this one Tuesday. So pretty pathetic because I usually have gotten better, maybe 4 times a week. 4 or 5 times a week at closing my rings, but yeah, this week was pretty bad. But for my gratitude, I wrote soul and rings because I was grateful for both of those things. Moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then use a little stethoscope icon from the kit as well, just to mark that we received our negative COVID test on Wednesday, which is great. We had gotten tested, in case y'all didn't know already if you haven't followed me. We had gotten tested because my father-in-law woke up sick and kind of having some symptoms of COVID the previous Tuesday. So I don't know, what was it? Whatever, the previous Tuesday from this week. And so we didn't go over there on Christmas just in case, but we were with them fairly recently. So we were oh, there's a possibility that he had it and hadn't had symptoms yet, and then now he's having symptoms and we could have it. So we all went and got tested after Christmas, and then we got our, negative result back. Luckily, everybody was negative. He didn't have it either. So I don't know what was making him sick, but thankfully he's all better and it wasn't COVID. So anyways, though, so then I wrote, that we got our negative test, and then I used a dad's house script from Cozy Paper Co. because my son didn't go to his dad's for Christmas Eve like we had planned because of the whole potential COVID scare. So now that we knew we were all, safe with the negative results, he went to his dad's house to kind of, do their little Christmas celebration. And then I just used a flourish from Honey Inked, and just to kind of take up the, awkward white space under the play button. Then I'm just going to add a checklist from the kit because I had to run some errands on Wednesday after dropping off my son. We had to go to Sam's Club, and I needed some gas, and we needed to go to CVS, and then I also had to go run to the store to get my mom her money order since she isn't able to. I help her out with some of her, you know, adult chores. So I had to go to run to the store for that. My gratitude I just wrote Wednesday was family and rest. For Thursday, I felt like I wanted to put some kind of divider in between that weird spot. So I just used this like flourish bow thing from Dash of Sun. And then we went over to my in-laws' house to have dinner for our Christmas dinner that we skipped, and also exchanged the gifts because they had some gifts for us and we had some gifts for them. So I'm going to take a flag from the kit and also like a little present icon, little, you know, deco from the kit as well, just to write dinner and gifts. And then taking this little super dainty, I love it, just a thin little line of this like little bow divider from Sadie stickers, just because I didn't want those like weird dots just kind of hanging out there, you know. Then I felt like whiting out the deep clean that I wrote on Thursday because it just looked ugly, and it kind of looked a little better the second time I did it. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, we went over to my in-laws' house was the main thing on Thursday, and we brought back the gifts for my son so he could just open them whenever he gets back from his dad's. And I wrote 2021 because, you know, grateful for 2020 being finally over. Friday, I'm just going to take another one of these little leafy flourishes from Honey Inked just to put under the half box because, I don't know, I felt like it needed something. And then I have this really pretty snowflake mandala from Dash of Sun. These are like new for her. And I just didn't really do anything else on Friday, so I just put the snowflake there to like take up a little more space. And then for my gratitude, I just wrote relax because I really just kind of bummed out all day Friday. I didn't film, I didn't paint my nails, I didn't do nothing. So I should have though, because obviously I'm behind on my filming schedule and I haven't done my nails all week. So yeah, but anyways, Saturday I'm just going to use this little bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. And then I'm going to take a quarter box from the kit and another heart doily from the Give and Girl just to mark that I picked up my son from his dad's on Saturday. And for our movie night, I always have the little movie marquee on Saturday or a half box to mark our movie night. We watched The Princess Bride. Oh, and I'm going to take this little bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. because it was a weird space. I don't know. Anyway, it was our first time watching The Princess Bride. My husband has seen it, but my son and myself have never seen it. So, yeah, we watched, I don't know, we were just kind of like looking for a movie to watch, and my husband was like, have you guys ever seen this? I was like, no. The movies the stuff that they let you get away with in the 80s, it just annoys me, and I don't like watching older movies because they'll show like a guy like, you know, smacking a girl, or like, I don't know, you know, like, well, he doesn't smack her in The Princess Bride, but he does like fake her out, like he's gonna smack her, and I'm like, what the heck? Like, anyways, I just wrote for Saturday's gratitude walk because, you know, I had been like just a lazy bum all week, and so I was grateful that we took a little walk on Saturday, get a little bit of exercise. Next up for Sunday, I'm just going to check off my checklist and put a little flourish there from Honey Inked underneath it. And then I used a rescheduled script because I didn't upload my Plan With Me on Sunday. So, because again, I was falling behind. Then I'm going to take one of these fun size boxes from the kit and then another present deco, as well as one of these little, like it's like 2 phones from Crafts by Thaowie. I kind of gave me like FaceTime vibes. So I wrote FaceTime and open gifts because when we picked up my son, he opened up the gifts from my in-laws. They just, we're not going to go over there for a while just to make sure, you know, like what if my son picked it up from his dad's house? Who knows? You know what I mean? Like he can get it from switching households, you know? So when we sent him over there, you know, everybody was negative, but who knows if they had accidentally given it to him, who knows, you know? So they just told us when we went over there on Thursday, you know, go ahead and take his gifts and then FaceTime us and he'll open them on FaceTime, and, you know, so that's what we did. Then I used the flourish from Honey Inked, and then a quarter box from the kit with another piece of deco. I love the deco in this kit. It's so functional. For like the little cupcake and a baking time script from Cozy Paper Co. because I had leftover snickerdoodle cookie dough in my fridge because I did not make the whole batch on Christmas Eve because I was kind of overwhelmed with cookies for the Christmas season. But I love snickerdoodles, and my recipe for them is like so good, so I didn't want to let that go to waste, obviously. So I just decided to bake the rest of the snickerdoodles. And then for my gratitude on Sunday, I wrote progress, since I am, you know, slowly making progress towards my goals. Hopefully, with my new resolutions for 2021, we'll get those taken care of. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up because it helps me out and I truly appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos, and leave me a comment down below if you have a question or if you just want to say hi, because I will say hi back. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you are loved and worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.